Hi.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, Sanvi. How are you? What happened to you? Are you feeling well now?
I'm fine now, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Take care of yourself. Hi, Amira. How are you?
I'm good, ma'am.
Okay. Kindly take out your drawing sheets or your drawing book. Okay, we'll be doing a new drawing today.
Okay.
Yes. Kindly be on mute. Bistro, right? Your name is? Please switch on your camera.
There's a error. There's a error.
On your camera.
Error. Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, there's a error on his. There's a error on the camera. Like it's not turning on for us.
Okay. No problem. So today again we'll be drawing a pattern. Okay, again we'll be drawing a pattern drawing. Keep your paper portrait. Keep your paper portrait standing, vertical. Please be on mute. Kindly don't unmute yourself. Yes. Remember kids, my instruction remains the same. This is the top side of my drawing. This is the bottom of my drawing. I am going to draw the reverse drawing. I am going to draw upside down so that you all will be able to see it as it is and copy as it is. Okay. So at this corner of yours, just draw a curved line, a very little curve, not more curve, like this. Remember kids, this is the top, this is the bottom. I am going to draw a upside down drawing. Okay, you are going to copy as it is. Okay. Now from here, again a big curve, just a moment. Draw a big curve like this. Okay, only till here, don't join it. Only till here, don't join it. And I am drawing in black sketch pen directly. You all have to draw first with pencil. I will give you the time to sketch it with the help of the black sketch pen. So don't worry, I will give you the time to sketch it.
But ma'am, I don't have black sketch pen.
It's okay, you have told me earlier also. Either you can take your highlighter also. Do you have highlighter, mom or dad? They might be working at home, right? So just make this curve like this. After this curve, take a zigzag line like this, zigzag curved line. Zigzag curved line. First a curve here, then a curve here. Only slight zigzag curved line like this. Okay? Stretch it up like this. Stretch it up like this and join it here. Okay? So this is a zigzag curved line which we are taking. Stretch it up like this. And you have to join it here. Okay? Able to understand all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now here, just draw a curve and like this. Take from here a big curve and then in a round shape. But don't join it anywhere. Okay, can anyone just say me what is this? Are you able to make out what is this?
Half butterfly body, ma'am.
Very good, very good. Yes, this is a half butterfly body which we are drawing in an abstract manner. Okay. So only half of the body will be seen. Okay. Now from here, draw the lines here. We are going to draw curved lines pattern. Curved lines pattern. Okay. So all the curved lines you can take double lines. Okay. While drawing you can take double lines. Okay. Now I am taking double lines and directly doing it with the sketch pen. First you see one, I am showing you the example so that you will be understanding how much thickness double lines I need. Okay. You can shade it afterwards. Okay. Not right now. So like this we need the double line. So each and every line which I am going to say you now will be the double line and a curved line. The line should not be straight, the line should not be sweeping, the line should not be slanting, the line should not be zigzag, the line should not be a diagonal line. It should be a curved line. Okay, curve. Curve like this. You know how to make the letter S, all of you? All of you. Do you all know like this is a letter S?
Yes, ma'am.
So in the letter S, you see curves, right?
Yes, ma'am.
In the same manner, we are going to draw this drawing, wherein it is a curved pattern and we are drawing a half butterfly. Again a curved line. Again a curved line. Okay, now I won't be doing it dark. Just to make you all understand, I did that part dark. Again from here a curved line. Again from here a curved line. Give me a minute, huh? So understood this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Now going here down, like this curved line, like this curved line. Like this curved line, like this curved line. See, both are going parallel to each other, huh? Both the curved lines are going parallel to each other. Please be on mute. Who is on unmute? Now again, we are going to do the curved line here also. Okay? From here to here. Again, double line, mark a double line like this. See, I am showing you the thickness of the line. Are you understanding what should be the thickness of the line?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Visto, are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Amira, are you understanding? Visto, please be on mute. Okay. So now here small curved line. See, 1, 2, I am joining it here only. Then 3 this way. 4 this way. And 5 this way. Okay? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now, you can do one thing. You can sketch it with the help of your black sketch pen. Sketch it with the help of your black sketch pen. If you want to do the line, curved line, through sketch pens, you can do. Otherwise, we will do through oil pastel. As we have to do black only in the lines, okay? The curved lines which we have done now, we have to do the black color only in those lines. So if you want to fill it through sketch pen, you can. You all can sketch it. Please sketch it with the help of your black sketch pen. Please sketch it. Visto understood this drawing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If you want, you can make this line also double like this. Okay, understood? Okay, sketch it, and after sketching, just raise your virtual hand. There is a raise hand icon over there. You can raise it. Okay, those who are not having, you can simply say me that I am not having raise hand icon and I have completed the sketching. and keep your oil pastel colors ready. Also, we will be doing a little of blending. So if you have tissue paper or cotton with you, kindly keep that also ready. Okay. So first all of you complete it and just say me that are you done or not? Okay.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am,
Yes. Yes.
ma'am, we can choose any colors.
No. 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 I will be showing you how to color. The colors which I say you have to do that colors only. Just give me a moment. Have you finished the sketching part? Have you finished the sketching part? Should we start the coloring?
Yes, ma'am.
Bangalore.
Okay. So we are taking the combination of violet and rose pink. Okay, everyone to be there ready with these two colors. Rose pink, the color number is 380. 380. Violet, the color number is 451. 451. Rose pink, the color number is 380. Violet, the color number is 451. Okay? Kindly be ready with these two colors. Now, we are going to give the combination of rose pink and violet. Okay, first we are going to color this part, rose pink. Okay, first we have to do the outline with the coloring. First we have to do the outline with the coloring. Okay, first we have to do the outline with the coloring. This is the rose pink color. Rose pink color number is 380. 380. Now, we have done the outline. After that, we have to color this part with dark pressure, leaving no white spaces in between. And how we have to color? Just move your color and your finger round, 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 round in a circular motion. Whenever with the oil pastels you are coloring in a circular motion, no white spaces is seen. and no color is being done in a double way. Okay? See, so our first part was violet. I'm sorry, rose pink. First part was rose pink. Now everyone take the color violet. Color number is 451. 451. Color this part violet. Color this part violet. Again, do the outline first, then color the inside part. Do the outline first, then color the inside part. Again, we are going to color with two colors only. Again, take your rose pink. First, do the outline with the color. First, do the outline with the color. Now, just in a circular motion, move your hand. Okay, color it very neatly. Color it very neatly. Again, yes, violet. First, color the outline. Okay, remember always, my dear kids, whenever you are coloring or drawing, you can move your paper the way you want, okay, for your ease to color or draw. But you don't have to move yourself. While coloring or while drawing, don't move yourself. You can move the color, move the paper during your drawing and coloring. Now inside again in a circular format, color it. Okay? Understanding? Again here we are going to take rose pink. Rose pink's color number is 380. Now move it in a circular motion. First, after the outline, we have to move it in a circular motion, like this. Again, we are taking violet, but this time we will do violet here. No, we will do violet here. Okay, see. First we have done the outline. Then we have done the inside part. Now this part, which is here inside, you have to take dark violet. Okay, color number 104. Take dark violet. Okay, color number 104. Only once we are going to take this color number 104. Okay, this inside part we are doing with dark violet. Okay, again, rose pink. Same manner, color in a circular manner. Again, take your violet, normal violet, now. Normal violet, color number 451. Normal violet.
Ma'am,
Yes.
this is submission. My coloring is done.
Okay, please wait. Yes, Sanvi, show me beta. Very good, very good, very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Please wait. We will be doing the background too. Kindly wait. Again here roasting. Okay. Again here violet, normal violet. Only one place we have used dark violet. So first we are coloring the outline. Again roasting. Okay. So this part is done, but still this one is remaining. This one is remaining. This part is being done. The wings are being done. The body is remaining. The body we will do at last. Okay. The body part we are going to do at last. Now we'll be needing two colors. Combination of two colors. One is light blue. One is light green. One is light blue and one is light green. Light blue, the color number is 239, and light green, the color number is 240. So color number 239 and 240. Okay. So now how it goes. See, first we'll take light blue color. Okay, as it is having a very less part. Now the way I am going to color will be the way of blending the colors. Okay. I am not going to change the direction as I am coloring. That same way I will be even blending them. Just a second. Just removing the wrapper, the extra wrapper of blue color of mine. Yes. So now, here I am doing in a circular motion. Here. Now this is very light, medium to light pressure, in which your background white is seen, no problem at all. Okay. So do this part as blue. Then somewhere here inside also do the blue color. Here also do the blue color. Here also do the blue color. Okay, this much part we have to do the blue color. Rest all remains light green. Now, whenever we are coming near to blue, I will start from here only. I have to take one finger of the space inside the blue color and then do the coloring like this. Okay. Now just do it. Just keep in mind that whenever you are coming in mixture of blue, then just take one finger of space inside the blue color. Okay? Inside the blue color. One finger of space inside the blue color. Okay. Now be ready with your cotton or your tissue paper or your earbuds.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I'm not finished yet. I'm coloring from the green.
Yes, do it, no problem. Now how the blending work goes, okay? How take your cotton like this, okay? From one side, just keep your cotton moving round and round. Just keep your cotton moving round and round. So what you will see, I will show you. Wait. Let me make this side first clear, then I will show you how will the feel be. See, what this cotton is going to do, it is going to take off the excess color on your cotton like this. And it will give you a different shade on your paper. Okay? So, first we have started with green. So let us continue with green color. Remember, if your cotton is getting more dirty, then please change the cotton or your piece of tissue if it is getting more dirty. So this is the abstract pattern which we say, abstract pattern, and we have done a half butterfly. Are you liking this drawing?
Yes, ma'am.
Tanvi, are you liking this?
Yes, ma'am.
Amaira, very slowly we have to do, wherein we are just coming near the butterfly, because we don't want that butterfly color should come out and spread. Whenever your cotton is just filled with the color, kindly change your cotton because it will be easy for you to again start with the blending of the color neatly. Okay, remember again I am saying, again and again I am saying, you don't have to move yourself. You can move your paper because blending is one thing which will be requiring the rotation of paper consistently because we don't want our inner color to get threaded into our background, right? So this is a blending abstract pattern. We have done a half butterfly. Just go with the flow. Now see how it is looking. See, my dear kids. Isn't it? It is looking pretty. Okay, now this portion which was remaining, this portion which was remaining, we have to do with the black oil pastel. The color number is 016. Black oil pastel again with a dark pressure. This has to be compulsory done with oil pastel, not with the sketch pen. So this is the way. Now this part which I did with sketch pen, if you wish on that, you can apply the oil pastel on that part only where we have done the black sketch pen work. See, the moment it comes with the oil pastels, now it is getting a different shine. Altogether, it is getting a different shine. So you can do, but again, not a compulsion. I want to just show you all, so I am doing. There is a much
Ma'am, I'm
difference
done.
through the sketch pen work and the oil pastel work.
Ma'am,
Okay? Yes?
are you? I finished. I finished drawing.
Okay, just show me.
Actually, camera Ma'am, I have a camera problem on the video. I cannot show it. So,
Okay, right. I understood. Do one thing, you put it in the group, okay?
see, ma'am.
Just send your drawing, your completed drawing in the group. Okay,
See,
I
ma'am.
will be understanding. Yes. Okay, so here is our drawing for today. Okay? Very good, Tanvi. Very good. Bye, kids.
Bye,
See
ma'am.
you. Bye. See
Bye,
you. Take
ma'am.
care.
Bye,
Bye.
ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.